Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having valuable features in high demand with these ratings. Take a ride in the 2022 F-250 Super Duty. This vehicle is powered by a four-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 6.7-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, four-wheel drive, blind spot monitor, tow hitch, electronic stability control, heated mirrors, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, brake assist. Inside you'll find navigation system, backup camera, smart device integration, keyless entry, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, premium sound system, adjustable pedals, MP3 player, security system. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.